Windows 10 Desktop. Whenever you turn on your computer, it starts booting. This means the operating system gets loaded in the RAM, and then the Windows 10 welcome screen appears. After a few seconds, the final screen appears. This final screen is called the desktop. The desktop in Windows 10 is the main interface between the user and the computer. This screen has many components such as the Start button, taskbar, background, and icons. Start button. When you click the Start button, the Start menu opens. The Start menu has two panes. The left pane displays an alphabetical list of all the programs installed on your computer. The right pane contains tiles. The software programs are called apps in Windows 10. Live tiles. Live tiles are shortcuts of applications.
These titles display information such as weather, news, calendar, and email messages.
There are some games tiles also which you can click to play. You can add, remove, and resize tiles. Adding a tile. To add a tile to Start menu, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start menu. Step 2. Right-click on the app you want to add to Start menu. Step 3. Select Pin to Start option. The selected app will appear as a live tile. Resizing a tile. You can resize tiles according to your choice. To resize a tile, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the tile. Step 2. Select the resize option. Step 3. Select the size of your choice. The tile will be resized. Removing a tile. To remove a tile, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the tile. Step 2. Choose the Unpin from Start option. The tile will be removed. Icons. Icons are small images or symbols with names that represent programs, folders, or files. Each icon acts as a link to an item on the computer, whether it's a program, file, folder, or printer, and can be located anywhere on this PC. We just have to double-click on the icon and the associated program, file, or folder opens up. This PC icon. When you double-click on this PC icon, it opens a window which displays all the files and folders on your computer. It is also known as File Explorer, where you can create, rename, copy, move, delete, and search files and folders. The following window will appear when you double-click on this PC icon. Taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It helps to manage various currently active programs opened in different windows. You can easily switch between these programs by selecting their icons on the taskbar. It also has the Start button, search box, quick launch bar, clock, etc. Pin an application to the taskbar. To pin an application to the taskbar, follow the given steps. Step 1. Type and search the name of the application you want to pin in the search box. For example, here we searched for Word. Step 2. Right-click on the application name in the search results. Step 3. Select Pin to the taskbar option. The application icon appears in the taskbar. Unpin an application from the taskbar. When you pin many applications, the taskbar becomes cluttered. So, you need to unpin some applications. To unpin an application, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the application icon on the taskbar. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Unpin from Taskbar option. The icon will be removed from the taskbar. Moving the taskbar. You can change the position of the taskbar and place it at any one of the 4 sides of the screen. Follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar and uncheck the Lock the Taskbar option by clicking on it. Step 2. Now, click on the taskbar and drag it to any side of the screen.